If you want to succeed in trading, you got to get your mindset right. And that is what we are going to talk about in this video. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Smartcharts. Link to this will be in the description of the video. And by the way, this is the one that I use with my trading. So trading success is as much about mindset as it is the numbers. Alright, so the psychology plays a pivotal role in the trader's ability to navigate the markets effectively. And Smartcharts is actually designed to support the traders in mastering this essential aspect. Okay, so by offering the tools that allow users to track their performance and reflect on their past trades, Smartcharts is actually helping traders identify the patterns and learn from their mistakes. And of course, building more confidence in the futures. Now, remaining calm under pressure is crucial, and it's particularly during the periods of high volatility. So successful traders understand the importance of managing emotions such as the fear versus the greed. All right, so it can cloud your judgment and lead to impulsive decisions. So the techniques just like deep breathing, taking regular breaks, and maintaining a predefined trading plan can be super instrumental in staying composed and make sure that you will be successful with whatever you are doing. All right. Now, setting realistic goals and expectations is another cornerstone of a healthy trading mindset. So unrealistic ambitions can lead to frustration and poor decision making, while the achievable targets encourage steady progress. Now, Smartcharts is empowering traders to define and monitor their goals, ensuring a balanced approach to your growth as a trader. So developing the right mindset is actually key for long-term success and involves cultivating discipline, patience, and resilience with your craft. Okay, so Smartcharts is actually serving as a valuable ally in this journey, and it offers insights that help traders fine-tune their strategies and adopt habits that fosters consistency. So you could go ahead and check out Smartcharts. This is what it looks like, guys, when you are already logged in. So you have learn, okay, you have charts, you have trades, journals. You could also look for coaching as well if you need to. Okay, so you could go ahead and check this one out. So breakfast breakout, you have learn the basics, learn Forex, and this is actually what I really love about Smartcharts. It's not just, an online trading platform. It's not just that. Okay, so it's just the tip of the iceberg. Once you log in, you have this, all right? You have all these different tabs right here. You have the charts, you have the trades, the journal, the coaching, okay? You also have live events, and of course, you have the tools that you could utilize that will help you out in your success for your trades. I would strongly suggest, guys, to go ahead and check this out, guys. Make sure to go ahead and see their website. Do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into, and so that you could also make informed decisions. And guys, if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next amount. Peace.